Hi, this is Josh Newton from WhiteSource. This is the sixth in a series of videos covering the WhiteSource for GitHub.com integration. In this video, we will cover the Renovate technology. Renovate was an open source project that WhiteSource acquired, and its purpose is to always keep your open source libraries on current versions. This proactive approach helps prevent stale and out-of-date dependencies, which do not include bug fixes and new features, and it also helps prevent risky jumps of multiple versions. You can learn all about Renovate and its many configuration options here at docs.renovatebot.com. To implement Renovate within the WhiteSource for GitHub.com integration, you need to add it to your WhiteSource file within your repo or within the repo-config.json file if you have a global configuration enabled. By default, the .whitesource file does not have Renovate enabled, so if you want to activate it, you will need to add this remediate settings section as shown here. Feel free to pause this recording to capture this syntax. The enable Renovate true is what turns on Renovate to begin creating the pull request to update the dependency, and the extend setting turns on our merge confidence feature, which we'll cover in a minute. With Renovate enabled, you are going to start seeing a lot more pull requests being created. Remember from the Remediate video that Remediate creates pull requests when there is a newer version that remediates vulnerabilities found in the library. Renovate differs in that it does not look for vulnerabilities in the library. It is looking to see if there are newer versions of that library and creates a pull request if so. As we see in this repo, there are 21 pull requests that were created by Renovate. When we open this one, we see the upgrade from our current version 1.5.0 to the latest version 1.7.32. Just like the Remediate technology, we create a Renovate branch in the repo where you can test this out before merging it into the mainline. Clicking on the files changed shows that the pom.xml is being changed to version 1.7.32 for this dependency. And here we have our merge confidence feature, which is a way to determine if you were to upgrade this dependency, what are the risks that it would break your code. The metrics shown give you visibility into the rest of an ecosystem to see how others who have implemented this version have fared. When users implement Renovate, it anonymously gathers the metrics from hundreds of thousands of repos and shows how many people have adopted this version, what was the result of their functional testing after upgrading, and from that we give it a confidence rating. Here we see that 25% of repos that use this library have implemented this 1.7.32 version, and that 99% of their testing within their pipelines passed. Of course, Renovate neither knows nor cares what that test was. It only cares if it passed or failed. So with these three metrics showing positive results, we give this a very high confidence rating. Looking at another example, here we see the passing rate of the test is only 78%. So we give this a low confidence that it will not break your build, and you probably need to research this further and rigorously test it. The configuration section shows our various options such as scheduling the merge, auto merge, etc. These are all features of Renovate and can be configured easily. Use the docs.renovatebot.com documentation site to explore all of the available features. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have further questions, please reach out to your WhiteSource representative, or you can visit our website for more information.